over here you can see that I am in the edit page now, and I have a video right here, and an audio is linked on with the video right here, as you can see. So the audio right here moves with the video clip right here as I drag around, just like this. But it doesn't have to be that way. So you can keep the audio independent of the video as well when you're working around with Davinci. So to do that, you can simply right click right here, and over here you can see link clips is an option. And if you were to uncheck that, now the audio and video, even if when you imported it out it was the same, now it can be placed separately, as you can see, just like this. But if you want to link it out once more, you can go around over here. It does not need to be in the original position. You can click and drag to select out the audio and video right here, and then you can right click and link the clips again, and then it is linked out. So even other audio clips that may not be originally the part of a video right here, let's say for example like this, you can select it out and then you can link those out together as well, and you see the link icon right here, which you can click and drag out. You can right click over here and unlink it out altogether, just like this as well, and then relink it out by right clicking and linking out the clips. But you can also do this. You can select out let's say the clip right here, and then control select another audio clip, and then you can right click and then link out the clips, so that only those two clips are linked out together, while the original audio from the video itself is kept separate. And that is how you can work around with audio and video linking inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.